Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. Isa po ba kayong OFW sa Abu Dhabi and kailangan nyo ng verification of contract? Ang verification of contract ay kailangan po para makakuha ng OEC. Sa video na to, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng appointment online. Let's start! So, unang-una po natin gagawin is to go to the website of Philippine Overseas Labor Office or POLO. So, ang website po nila ay poloabudhabi.weebly.com. So, I will put the link in the description box below for your reference. Then, scroll lang po natin sa baba. Then, click po natin yung contract verification. Then, ito po yung lalabas. So, meron po ditong process flow. So, ito po yung guidelines kung paano yung contract verification process. So, nakalagay din po dito yung mga requirements. Okay? Then, take note that the payment is for 40 dirhams for contract verification. So, you have to complete all the documents. Then, pay the verification fees. Then, after that, printing of receipt, processing, stamping, and approval. Then, it will be released. So, nakalagay din po dito sa right side yung mga requirements. So, after that, scroll lang po natin. Then, click nyo po itong book an appointment. So, ito po yung lalabas. Contract verification appointments. So, dahil nga po sa COVID, bawat punta po sa Philippine Embassy sa Abu Dhabi, kailangan po ng appointment. So, for contract verification, we really need to fill this form. Okay, so you have to put your email address and employment verification status. If it's your first time, if you change your company or employer, or you renew with the same company and employer. Then, you have to put the category of your company. Here, it's either government-owned company, private sector company, or household service worker. Then, you have to choose what transaction. So here, verification of employment contract, OWWA membership, OEC schedule of appointment, and returning OFW from PH to UAE. So verification of employment contract. Then you have to put your valid mobile number, your last name, your first name, as well as your middle name. So yung may mga red asterisk po, it's a very important detail. So bawal pong i-leave yun ng blank. Then after that, click nyo lang po yung next. Ayan, so pag click nyo po yung next, ito po yung lalabas na page. So meron po dyan ng nakalagay na instruction na submit the scanned copy requirements. So you have to submit the scanned copies in clear and complete pages for proper review of verification officer. Lacking in incomplete of pages are considered void. The verification officer will inform you through email to provide the necessary requirements before the appointment schedule. So you have to upload your valid passport copy, valid employment visa copy, and employment contract for skilled and professional or household workers, employment contract for housemaid. Then additional requirements, salary certificate, confirmation letter, trade license, or salaysay form. After that, click nyo lang po yung next. Then after nyo pong i-click yung next, ito po yung lalabas na page. If the worker is a household service worker or domestic worker, you have to upload the employer or sponsor valid passport copy, then the employer or sponsor valid Emirates ID. And lastly, if it's expat, you have to upload the employer or sponsor valid visa copy. Then, click next. So, ito na po yung last page. So, if the worker is in the Philippines, kailangan po ng arrival stamp, authorization letter, and passport or Emirates ID of authorized person. Then, just click submit. Then after that, we will receive an email from Philippine Embassy with regards to the date and time of our appointment. So after that, we will pay the 40 dirhams charge. So that's it. Thank you for watching.